How to deep clean your Instant Pot Vortex the right way. If your Vortex is starting to smell, smoke, or just feel greasy, here's a full cleaning routine to keep it working safely and cooking evenly. Step 1. Unplug and let it cool fully. Always start with the fryer unplugged and completely cool. The coil and tray retain heat longer than you think. Wait at least 30 minutes after cooking before cleaning anything inside. Step 2. Wash the tray and basket by hand. Both the tray and the basket are dishwasher safe, but they'll last longer if you wash them by hand. Use hot water, mild soap, and a soft sponge. Avoid steel wool or metal brushes. They'll wear down the nonstick surface. Step 3. Clean the interior chamber and fan area. Wipe the inside walls with a damp cloth and mild dish soap. Check for food debris near the fan in the back. That's where buildup causes smoke and airflow issues. I use a soft bristled brush to reach the corners and back wall without scratching the interior. It helps dislodge gunk without needing harsh scrubbing. Step 4. Wipe down the heating coil carefully. Check under the top coil for grease or splatter. Don't soak it. Just wipe gently with a damp cloth and let it dry fully before plugging the unit back in. Use the same soft brush if there's buildup. It gets into the curve around the coil without damaging anything. Step 5. Clean the control panel and outside surfaces. Use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe fingerprints, splatter, or dust from the screen and handle. Never spray cleaner directly on the panel. Apply it to the cloth first if needed. If this helped you get your Vortex looking and smelling clean again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a safe way to clean the coil or fan area, I've linked the soft brush I use below. It's gentle, heat safe, and reaches spots that sponges can't. Thanks for watching, and don't let it fester.